Hey everybody, Doug Crock Gardener here. Today we got something different that we're gonna do, especially for September. We have some bare root strawberries. I got about 20 of these. Look at these roots on these things. I ordered these off of Amazon. There is a shop that I got them from off of Amazon. It's like a little nursery that they sell, just happen to sell on Amazon. So they had some instructions on how to plant these. Typically I go through and I plant these directly in the ground in my strawberry bed. However, with it being so hot and dry lately, I want to take these guys and we're gonna get them started in these little pots. And inside these little pots, I got they're fairly deep pots because those roots are pretty deep, so that way they got plenty of room to grow with the roots. But we're gonna get them started so they start leafing out, getting nice, leafy, bushy, and we're gonna go through the whole process of hardening them off and then planting them into the strawberry patch. So tonight we are going to go ahead and get started and get these guys in the pots. So we got our soil here. Got a nice good soil mix going on. I am going to put some super triple phosphate in here. Basically this is going to promote strong rooting. It'll be good for these plants when they're coming out of their root growth. And let's do a little bit more. We'll just get all that mixed in here. So we got a bare root strawberry. You can see that guy is gonna be way long for this, but that's okay. So on these strawberries, you do have what you call a crown. And I don't know if you can see that very well, but that crown sits up right there. You do not want to bury that crown. So I like to put this guy in, hold up one finger, and then we put some dirt in there, fill it up, and then pull that crown up a little bit so it's up, and then tap the soil around it, put it in our tray. So by doing all of this, I can keep things nice and moist and conditioned and make sure I have a good spread of strawberries. Last year I did this and my strawberries turned out so-so because of hot weather, lack of watering. This is gonna be easy. They're gonna be downstairs, so it's gonna be nice and simple to get to them, to water them, to make sure that they're moist and stay moist. I don't have to worry about the heat. That's one of the biggest things on the website they said was to make sure that you're not putting them out during 80-degree weather days. It's gonna be very, very stressful for them. So that's why we're doing it this time. And if this works, fantastic. If it doesn't, I'll know better for next time. So this is not the definitive way of doing it. It's just the way I am doing it. So yeah, we got about 40 of these. These should go into our patch that we got out there. I think these are called Honey O strawberries. It's a June bearing variety. I do have a lot of ever-bearing varieties out there. Those are good, but they just don't produce enough. Like if we want to do any type of preserving or anything like that, they don't produce enough at one point in time. So I think with all these being June bearing, I think we're gonna have a good crop for some jams, some jellies, some strawberry pies, all that good stuff. I do like our strawberries. So yeah, just remember you gotta make sure that that crown is above the top there. All right, so we got just a few of these left. And I'll come back and I'll show you what I got left. Okay, got them brought down to the basement. I do have the heat mats on. It's rather cold down here. It's usually about 60 degrees. But you can see them better in the light down here. We got, I think 34 of them. That's 5 times 3 is 15. There's 30. Right, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So that's 15, 15, that's 30. 1, 2, 3, 4. 42. Is that right? Shouldn't do math on YouTube, but that's okay. So you can see how they look. This is day 1. Yes, I got a lot of water in those trays, but I'm gonna let them soak up all that water because the roots were fairly dry. The soil, I'm not sure exactly how dry it was. If I come back down here tomorrow morning and it's still got water sitting in the trays, I'll dump the trays out. But yeah, let's get started with these guys and hopefully we'll have a good update for you later on. If you're enjoying what we're doing here, please subscribe. We are up to 285 subscribers, so cheers to all of you that have subscribed. Give us a thumbs up, leave a comment down below, tell us what your favorite kind of strawberry is. Cheers everybody, and God bless.